So I have to say that has been my inspiration for the past 6 or more months. I've been wanting to try an experience on my hair that will give my hair a rose gold color tone. So in this video, I'm going to take you on the journey with me in my very first experience in using some type of pigmented product on my hair. So I was in a beauty supply store one day, and it was my professional beauty supply store, and I was inquiring with a young lady that worked in the store that had all these crazy colors in her hair. So she recommended to me the KERACOLOR Clenditioner that I can use on my silver hair. So what I understand about this KERACOLOR Clenditioner is that it actually deposits color and pigment onto the hair. It actually cleanses the hair, and also it maintains, like if your hair is colored, it maintains vibrant hues. So one of the colors that I use on one of my clients in the salon, her hair is actually copper. So we use the copper KERACOLOR conditioner in her hair. But mind you, she already has color in her hair. But I was so excited to use this color, and then I looked into it more and more and found out that it's not recommended for gray hair. That it's recommended for blonde hair, lighter brown shades. But guess what? I'm just going to experiment. I've been procrastinating a little bit because I love my silver hair. I love my gray hues. So I'm going to take you on a journey in my very first time and experience in using the KERACOLOR Clenditioner. Okay, so guys, here we go. So I'm going to use the KERACOLOR Clenditioner in rose gold, and I'm just going to simply apply it with my hand. My hair is a little bit damp, but this is how my hair looks. My hair has been texturized, and I just wet it down, but this is how my hair looks before I actually mold my hair. So we're just going to put it on. We're going to really saturate it too. I'm going to saturate it on my hair. So I just wanted to show you right on camera. So I read that this particular product is not recommended for gray hair or silver hair. But the young lady in the store, she recommended it for my hair just to give it a tonality of the rose gold. So I'm going to do it anyway. I mean, what can it hurt? The only thing that I can see myself doing if I don't really like it is to just let it fade away, because the longer and the more uses that you use this product, like the after shampooing, the more times you use it, it's supposed to last longer in the hair, and the longer you leave it in the hair, it's supposed to adhere to the hair shaft more. And I'm going to turn around so that you can see. I'm just combing the product through my hair. So I did a little strand test yesterday, y'all, on the side, on my side area, and it didn't take that much. But because this hair is a little bit more silver than my sides, or have a little bit more gray in them, and the front has just more silver in it, I said I'm just going to try it anyway. So, and the reason why I really think they mentioned don't use it on silver hair is because our hair lacks pigment. And our hair has a tendency, because we don't have any, well, my hair has chemical in it, so then it's a little bit more porous. So a lot of natural gray heads of hair without relaxer or any type of chemical is not extremely porous. Porosity means the ability of your hair to absorb moisture, right? So because I have chemicals in my hair, I have a relaxer. So I just texturize my hair with the relaxer, meaning that I don't leave the relaxer in enough time to really straighten my hair bone straight, because I still like a little bit of texture in my hair. So this is the application, guys. You can see the application, and I'm just going to let it sit. And you can see the application in the back. And I really honestly believe that the only part that's really going to take is this little front part. As you can see, the pink or rose gold on the front part, because I didn't choose the color pink because I don't want pink hair, but because my hair is silver and I'm not mixing another hair color with it, like golden blonde or pale blonde and a lighter brown that they really recommend that you use the product on, my hair is silver. So it might just come out just pink. I don't really want pink hair, but we're going to see how it works. And I just wanted to try something. It's so many different reasons that you would want to experiment on a product like this, and we're going to talk about that later on in the video. So guys, it's been about 5 minutes. See, you can look at the back and see how it's adding pigment. My hair is a little darker in the back with more gray hair, not as silver, so it may not take to that area as much. I really can see the pigment that's being added to my hair, so stay tuned. So I am back and these are my results, guys. I love the front because that is where the product took the most, because my hair is mostly silver in that area. So I see now why they don't recommend it on gray hair per se. But I'm just going to turn around and show you the back. It took a little bit more in the crown area because my hair is more silver there. In the back, not so much because my hair is more so gray there, so it's darker. So ultimately and overall, I kind of like it. So I'll let it stay as it fades away. But I don't know if I will try another color. It turned out like this because my hair is silver. So if your hair is blonde or pale blonde or like a medium brown or even a lighter brown more so, then those are the colors that they actually recommend you use the conditioner on, only because you have pigment and you're adding pigment. So those are going to mix together and give you a new color. But when you don't have pigment at all, when your hair is just silver like mine, this is the look you're going to get. So we're going to dry it and style it and let you see what it looks like. But in the meantime, I want to talk about why you might want to try the KERACOLOR Conditioner, and or you might want to try another product that gives your silver hair a new look. So number one, you want to just try it for fun. You might be bored, you might want a different look for your hair. That is the main reason why I wanted to try it. I just wanted to have some fun with it. I wanted to see what my silver hair would do with this particular color. Now there's so many other colors on the market, like more vibrant colors. I'm just not into like really vibrant colors for me on my skin tone. I love them on other people, but I just wanted to have fun. Number two, to get out of your comfort zone. I feel like as women in our 50s, we get a little stagnant sometimes, and I'm not talking about everybody, but a lot of women we get, in this little comfort zone. We don't want to try anything new with our hair. We don't want to try anything new with style or fashion. So I'm always the one who loves to get out of my comfort zone when it comes to not necessarily my hair, because I mainly wear my hair the same mostly all the time because it's just my staple look, and this is just a look that I've loved for years. My pixie, I can do a lot that I want to do with it. It's easy to maintain and it's very low maintenance, other than cutting it every 3 weeks. But I wanted to just try something different, and most importantly, I wanted to get out of my comfort zone with my hair. Number three, try a color you would have loved to try when you were coloring your hair. So when I was coloring my hair, rose gold is not something necessarily that I was going to try when I was coloring my hair. I don't know why. At that time, maybe I just didn't want to get out of my comfort zone. So what colors have you tried on your hair when you were coloring your hair? And would you try a vibrant shade on your silver hair now that you have gone gray? Number four, it lasts as long as you want it to. So I don't know how long this is going to last in my hair. It's going to be interesting, and to see how long it takes me to get back to my silver hair. But if all goes too long, then I'll just shave it all off and start all over, and maybe I'll come on video and show you that process, because I've done it before. But I'm just gonna kind of let it fade away. It's just something that I tried, and I'm glad I tried it. I kind of like especially the front, but we'll see exactly how long it's gonna last, and I'll have to let you guys know how long it lasts. Number five, you can try more colors faster. So with our silver hair being without pigment, it gives us the opportunity to try more temporary colors and more temporary products like this than we would have if we were still coloring our hair. So let me know down in the comment section what you think about the looks after the hair has dried, and also let me know if you would try the KERACOLOR Conditioner in any of the shades that they have. Those of you out there who are not salon professionals, if you prefer a permanent change to your silver hair and you just want to switch it up for a little while, make sure that you consult a salon professional to do the work and the services for you inside of a professional salon. So I'm back, guys, and I hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making this little video. So if I've inspired you to just get out of your comfort zone and try something new, even if it's outside of changing your hair color, because we love our silver hair color. I know I love my silver color, and I'm gonna try to love this little color just a little bit until it fades away. But I'm not sure if I'll try any other colors on my hair. I think I'll just stick to my silver hair. And if you want to learn how to keep your silver hair more vibrant, shiny, and just full of luster, make sure that you check out this video next. And until the next time, guys, take care.